Welcome back, my lovelies. Today we're going to be looking at my next 3D printed bay, XENIAL XERORAPTor. This is going to be the last bay for my Wave 1 layers, but, yeah, so that concludes the Wave 1 of my layers of release. I don't know how to talk. Anyway, let's talk about this bay. The name XeroRaptor comes from the Greek or Latin word for dry, which is zero. And this guy is a skeleton velociraptor, which, you know, skeletons are dry, zero, dry. And then raptor, because velociraptor, yeah. I made this for my friend Xavier from the XK. Go check out their channel. Little link in the description, and at the top right, you can click right there. Check out their channel. They're a pretty cool channel. They post like once every 2 months, but it's a really cool channel. Anyway, this bay is in a tack type, and the combo I'm going to be giving it is 6. My custom frame Jab and Jaggy. This frame is also custom made by me, and it's kind of hollow, and like it's not really anything special about it. I mean, like, it's just a frame. This frame is actually pretty good at life after death, especially in left spin because of how round it is. So it's pretty good. 6, a pretty light core disc compared to other core discs. But yeah, and we have Jaggy because the attack types, whatever. And I guess like Jaggy bones or something. The teeth, not the greatest, not the greatest, but well, I mean, it's 3D printed, so what do you expect? I just have some random combos here. I have a defense combo, a stamina combo, and an attack combo. This attack combo is Victory Valtryek 6 Reboot. Oh wait, no, that's 13. Whoops, I meant 13 Reboot. Ow, I hit my light. We have a Vipero, 4 Glaive Press. And finally, we have Rising. We have Rocktivore. What was the first name? Raging Rocktivore. 4 Claw. Okay, I keep forgetting the name of Raging Rocktivore. I always go to Rising Ragnarok, even though I don't even have Ragnarok. So it's pretty weird. Where'd my launcher go? I just had my launcher here a whole freaking second ago. Oh, I guess I'll just use this one. They're all right spin, so it doesn't really matter. I did add a little bit of mountain putty right there, just because the layer is kind of defective with launching, so I just put some tack there so that it stays on the launcher. Anyway, let's begin. I'll start off with this stamina combo. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! And 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Yeah, so pretty weak teeth, and the pure shape of it probably makes it pretty easy to burst. I feel like it's gonna self-burst a lot, kind of like a Legend Spriggan. Because of the shape, it can, like, sort of catch air there. Wait, just a second. Okay, nothing. Never mind. So, it's just pretty easy to burst. If it can't win anything, I'll probably just make a really bad combo with, like, a Takara layer and a Hasbro driver. Let's just continue. Oh my gosh, why can't I launch? And go shoot. Okay, just very light hits. Why is the light yellow? Eh. I mean, that's just camera lens. Yeah, it's just camera lens. Oh well, lost by stamina finish. I'm wondering if this isn't that good of a bay. I might have to fight it against some old gen remakes if it keeps losing. I'll save it for another video if that's the case. Okay, it's a little weaker, but let's see the outcome. Come on, halfway to bursting here and almost halfway to bursting. Just get like one burst finish. Come on, you're supposed to be an attack type. Okay, continuing. We have my defense combo, a Vipro, 4-glaive press, go shoot, and go shoot. This launcher isn't even mine, it's actually one of my friends. Okay, it's one of my friends. He let me, I had to fix it for him. So that's why I have this launcher. Okay, moving on. I'm just gonna make this video a little short. Victory Valtryek 13 reboot. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh no, yeah, XERORAPTOR's gonna burst. Or is it gonna oh, okay, yeah. Ooh, it's actually halfway to bursting, so that's pretty interesting. I'll try launching at an angle like this, so that maybe it can make some disc layer contact, because this jab frame is pretty sharp. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. And 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Experiences with me and launching. Great. Go shoot. Go shoot. It actually got a burst finish on Valtryek. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up the video there because I don't want videos to be too long, like before. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end the video right there. See you guys later.